Hello everyone, so today lesson is all about taking a subway. So I just want to inform you that please subscribe before starting the video if you have not subscribed yet, and forward it to your friends, your colleagues as well to help me. So today we are going to study about our 4 phrases related to taking a subway. So first what will be study today, that is, where is the subway station? Second, what subway line do I have to take? Third is how to transfer. Fourth is what exit should I go out? These are the basic 4 phrases which might use when you are about to take a subway first time in Korea, and I'll explain you one after one and step by step. So let's start with where is the subway station. So first of all, where, you already know, it's 어디예요. Where, 어디예요. 예요 is basically put in that sentence due to the, in this case you are like about to, you don't know about the where should I go, where should, so in that case yeyo will be add. Got my point? This is the basic grammar about the yeyo. So here in this case, where will be like 어디예요, 어디예요, and subway is 지하철, 지하철. Basically jiha means underground and chal is a kind of train. Like for your just for your information, cha is like car and chal is kind of train. So jihachal, subway, jihachal. Got my point? And station is yok, yok. So let's combine it. Where is the subway station? 지하철역 어디예요? 지하철역 어디예요? Repeat after me. 지하철역 어디예요? Got my point? Let's study with the help of the example. For example, a person like you asked from B, where is the subway station? 지하철역 어디예요? And B will revert like it's over there, or it might be the answer like it's over here. So what it can be? It's over there, 저기예요. It's over here, 여기예요. You are talking about here a place, a particular place. So 여기예요 and 저기예요. 여기예요, it's here. 저기예요, over there. Got my point? And then A will revert 감사합니다, thank you, and B 네. So let's start from the very first point. 지하철역 어디예요? 저기예요, over there. 감사합니다, 네. So this is all about our first phrase, where is the subway station. Next phrase will be what subway line do I have to take? What subway line do I have to take? For your information, in Korea there are approximately 9 subway lines in every subway station. So you should know what subway line do you have to take for to go to reach a particular place, particular destination. Otherwise you might lose in the Korean subway station. So you have to ask from someone, or you should have searched about the subway lines and all criteria about taking a subway. So if you don't know about earlier, so you should have to know a native Korean person to ask what subway line do I have to take. So what is myot? What is myot? Because it comes with a number. There are 9 subway lines. So you have to decide which subway line. Got my point? It comes with a number. So in this case, what will be sound like myot. Myot. And subway line is hosun. 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 It sounds like hosun. Got my point? Hosun. Hosun. Do I have to take tayoyeo? Tayoyeo? Like you had earlier asked about the taxi. So it seems like it sounds like the same. Tayoyeo? Do I have to take tayoyeo? So let's combine. What subway line do I have to take? So it will be like 몇 호선 타요예요. 몇 호선 타요예요. 몇 호선 타요예요. So let's study about hosen. So for your kind information, there are 9 subway lines. So it will be sound like ilhosen, ihosen, samhosen, sahosen, ohosen, yukhosen, chilhosen, palhosen, guhosen. Because we are talking about a Sino-Korean counting system. Got my point? So there are 9 subway lines, and it will be sound like when a native Korean inform you about what subway line do you have to take. So it might be samhosen, sahosen. Mostly it will be ehosen. Basically, the second line of subway line is all about main Korean subway line. So in most of the cases, it may sound like ehosen. It's just for your general knowledge, just for your information. It will be sound like ehosen. Got my point? So let's study with the help of example. For example, you had asked from a person, what subway line do I have to take? So it will be like 몇 호선 타요예요, and the person will told you like line 2 2호선, and you have to revert thank you, 감사합니다, and be okay, 네. So repeat after me from the very first point. 몇 호선 타요예요? 2호선. 감사합니다. 네. So this is all about what subway line do I have to take, do you have to take. So next we will study about how to transfer. Sometimes it might be possible that there are no direct subway available for your right destination. In that case, you have to take, and you are in hurry, you have to take a subway, and you have to change, you have to transfer it after a point. So in that case, how you will use about how to transfer and what subway line you have to take. You had already studied about what subway line do I have to take, but you have to know about the how to transfer word. Got my point? So let's study how to transfer. So for your information, there is no direct subway for the desired destination. As I told you, let's suppose there is no subway line, direct subway line for your desired destination, and you are in hurry. You have to manage with the available subway, and after a while you have to change or transfer for the exact destination. So in that case, you have to say like how to transfer or change. So in Korean language, it will sound like Galataya heyo. Galataya heyo. Galataya heyo. Please say slowly. Galataya heyo. Repeat after me. Galataya heyo. So this is all about how to transfer. Let's take an example. Excuse me, how to transfer for Seoul City Hall? 저기요, Seoul City Hall 갈아타야 해요? 저기요, Seoul City Hall गलत था है या है यो? Repeat after me. 저기요, Seoul City Hall गलत था या है यो? And the person will revert. Take line 6. Yukhosun. Yukhosun. And you will be like, thank you, 감사합니다, and be okay, me. So let's study with the very first point. 저기요, Seoul City Hall गलत था है यो? 저기요, Seoul City Hall गलत था या है यो? Yukhosun. 감사합니다, 네. So this is all about how to transfer. Next and the last phrase will be, what exit should I go out? Suppose you had reached the destination, you are in the desired destination, but for your information, since there are 3 to 4 exits for different destination, or it might be like a destination which will reach you to the front point where you can take a taxi, and one exit will be like near the city hall, something like that. So you should know what exit should you have to go, what exit you have to take. So in that case you have to know how to say what exit should I go out. So what, it definitely comes with a number, so it will be like 몇. And you are asking about a number, which number, what exit line, what exit gate. So in that case we will add one word with what. So what will be like, what it will sound like, 몇 번. And exit is chulgu. Should I go out? 나가야 해요. So let's combine. What exit should I go out? 몇 번 출구 열어 나가예요. 몇 번 출구 열어 나가야 해요. I had highlighted the word euro. You had studied in the earlier chapter when you are about to take a taxi. 열어가주세요, Seoul Hotel, 열어가주세요, like Dongdaemun, 열어가주세요. Euro is basically like, should I go out, go to, go, something like that. In that case, we will put euro word in a sentence. So in that case as well, what exit should I go out will be like, 몇 번 출구 열어 나가야 해요. 몇 번 출구 열어 나가야 해요. Repeat after me. 몇 번 출구 열어 나가야 해요. Got my point? So this is all about what exit should I go out. Let's take an example. Let's review. Excuse me, what exit should I go out for some place? For example, for Seoul City Hall. For example, for this shopping center, this building. I had blank. You can put whatever the desired destination you want to go. So it will sound like 저기요, 몇 번 출구 열어 나가예요? 저기요, 몇 번 출구 열어 나가야 해요? And the person will revert like exit number 3. So what it sound like? 3번 출구. And you have to revert thank you. It is must. Thank you. 감사합니다. 네. He will revert 네. So let's study with the very first point. 저기요, 몇 번 출구 열어 나가예요? 저기요, 몇 번 출구 나가야 해요? 저기요, 몇 번 출구 열어 나가야 해요? 3번 출구. 감사합니다. 네. So this is all about our 4 phrases. that might use when you are about to take a subway. So we had studied today about where is the subway station, what subway line do I have to take, how to transfer, and what exit should I go out. So thank you so much for watching. This is all about today. So please subscribe if you have not subscribed yet, and please share to your friends and your relatives as well. And your next target is create a situation and take a ride of subway in Korean. Suppose you are in Korean and you have to go to Seoul hotel, like Seoul City Hall, or in a museum, or in Busan City Center, something like that. So you have to take a subway. So just create a situation. Suppose you are in Korean and make a sentence. So thank you so much for watching.